So this is the first lesson in a group of lessons that we're going to go over on Japa. And this lesson is specifically meant for those who are just beginning. Either you haven't really started yet, or you've kind of played with it, started and stopped, or you're just in the first few weeks of just starting to chant. Now, those of you who are already chanting, you may not need to listen to this section, and whatever I discuss in this section is discussed more elaborately. So you can decide if, after seeing what I'm going to do, if you want to listen or you want to go on to the next section. I think most of you who've been chanting for a while steadily can go to lesson 2. But in lesson 1, we're going to just begin with the basics. What is Japa? And basically, how do you do it? And the best ways to do it. So what is Japa? Japa is a personal meditation. The word Japa means murmuring or speaking softly. So we have kirtan, where we chant loudly together. And then we have Japa, where we chant more softly, and it's individual. It's our personal practice. It's something that doesn't rely on other people. It's something we do daily. And the way we do it is, the best way to do it is, we chant on beads, because on beads we can count the number of mantras we're chanting, and beads have 108. And so we'll talk about this more later, but we want to be steady in a certain number. So that's why we have beads. And then we chant the mantra on each bead, holding it with these 2 fingers. And we chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. And then we go to the next bead. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. And that way we go around 108 times. That's 1 round. Those of us who are initiated, we chant 16 rounds a day. That's what Prabhupada recommended. As we became more serious, wanted to take Krishna consciousness as a lifestyle, wanted to accept a guru, then Prabhupada asked us, yes, chant 16 rounds minimum. And that's something that we can all gradually work towards if we're in the right situation. So that's basically what Japa is. It's your personal meditation that you count every day a certain number of mantras or a certain number of rounds. And we'll talk more about this in the next topic.